Welcome back, my people. So next beautiful Sunday morning. We have a lovely day with us, you know. Today we will give thanks for. Yes, man. So as you people can see, we have a good looking sea. Now I get nervous on this, so we have it from a few days ago, you know. Yeah, man, we get this nice sea, you know, in Jamaica already. Yes, man. So it's a solo trip today. Actually Sunday. I'm going to look and focus for me food, catch some redfish. You know? Yes, man. I'm gonna do some diving, but got a little range on me on here, so kinda make it heal up back. Kingfish hot up a bad one here. Maybe the next video where you guys see it will be spear fishing, hopefully. But it's a solo trip today. I don't know where Canada gone. Let's do one come and see, but let's have some fish when we want to get and go sell some fish. So I said it's not a long trip today. The video might be a 40-30 minutes, but it's cheap. Just a go out there. So ready, set, go. It's a good morning this morning because we actually have good bait. What I have done, we did check Flex last night for we go catch goggle eye, but we never did get through to him. So I wake up this morning and I go by one of the fishing village and I purchased 2 pounds of goggle eye. These are what we actually catch at night time, but a lot of fishermen catch them as well too. So I purchased some. So 2 pounds, so this more than enough to go do what I do. Whole heap of fresh bait this catch last night. So I nah no bait complain. I have my bag of ice, I have my water, I have my snacks, you know. So I'm good there, so. Yeah, one 2 line them with me. This is the one that this one? Yeah, this is the one that took the wow. 25 pound the wow. Enough people comment and I say, oh, they don't see the comment. You see the weight in the title or no way. But me did promise me to put it in there. But what happened? We never have no scale at hand because my scale broke. Canada left his scale at home. Me actually weigh the fish the next day. And what happened, me actually edit the video and upload it before me weigh the fish. So I'm never sure the weight, but if anybody want to check the weight of the wow in, just check the comments, them reply under all who ask the weight. Ask about the weight. Yeah man, 25 pound in weight. Nice one, you know. Yeah, so I said I got through those 2 lines, go to see behind. Everything is all set. Yeah man, we are beautiful morning, you know. Long jaw jump. Yeah, so for me just on this one, my people, enjoy the video and you know, share with your families and friends and like the video. I always like the video, alright? Yeah, so going out to sea. Get some line overboard, you know. Overboard, man.
difference with boat fishing and spear fishing, you know. Spear fishing, you're limited what you can do, you know. When you use the boat, you do many things. You can take part in all different types. Nice swell out that one. Yeah, set. Arrive at the spot here now, the first location. Way up they see this and just taking the trolling lines and now I'll cut up some bait in the pan, you know. So I have bait for fishing for throughout, you know. So I'll get the bait cut up and always said always switch off the engine and allow the boat to drift. So you can see the wind speed, how the wind move the boat and how the current move the boat. So me know if you adjust myself. So by the time I done set up everything, we see how far me there off of the mark. So me will know I said if you adjust back, you know, and keep the adjustment there throughout the fishing. So me won't drift too far, you know, me have to drive go back a half mile or 1 mile back on this one. Yeah, so I'll cut up the bait and I'll get the line ready. Alright, so the line bait up. So I'm going to make the first run off first. Start the engine in a reverse, make it one stay. I'm just almost right on the spot. You know? And when I do, I stop a little bit from it. So, just right there. Current not too bad for me. Wind, not bad neither. Wind low. Yeah man, make it first run off, you know? As she said, the boat just put it in a reverse and really get no gas. The line bend down backward, you know? So that means the current no bad. Current alright. The line going down. I have one of my people so coming up. Let's see what we have. I see him on the line, you know. Not a big one. All of the bait ain't gone. Not a big one. People sit and take a line, wicked down then I go try wrap him up. Yeah man. You know what this? But sitting there on the line. The wheel now move. Nearly take your rod out of the hole and up it. In there? I want to take the line man. Come off, you know. Rotted. Whatever take you a while ago, come off. Aye. Whatever take it, come off. you know, boy, talk, we not take off my chat though. Jesus. You ever take off the fish off, man? Whatever take off the fish. And then look at fish and come up with it. I wish line you can't even tell when come off there. Alright. Get the next hook up. Snapper. While ago my people, I don't know what take a line. You take a line, the wheel is electric wheel, you spin and next move, so me just and now move. What you should have done still, you should have take you out and wind him and make the wheel take the line. And maybe the hook could have sit down more and I move. Come out and probably it's a hammer jack. Because I don't have bottom. Come up to see what they have for this. Like me a chain spot. This one is a chain spot, my people. Look like me, grab a next one. And they're close. Snapper. Well, snapper, my people. My licky bait wicked though. Clean off the bait then. Feel like me a chain spot, you know. Come up a little bit further, my people. You see, Bammy the out here and Gojo. Share way out here, you know. 3 boats out here. Gojo come up a little now. This is a Bammy, so. Gojo up on the outside. Bammy had the electric wheel too. Gojo had the one line. Eh? Can't let them one. They say me hook sitting a while ago. Nearly pop off the whole of here, so. Eh? Check if that one here work. That one is supposed to give one flash there. Yeah, the flash there. Good. Lock down the wheel, make it go and catch fish in the wheel. Come up, man. I say, no hook sitting, man. Nearly pop off the whole of both sides over there, so, you know. The rod can't carry him up. The rod, it's not a short though, it's probably a hammer jack. Yeah. Alright. get itchy there, so get things off and I igloo there, you know. There's next 1 or 2, not sure. Line coming up. Let's see what we take up. Here's that, you know. Good on the line, you know. Next one coming up. Like that one is the next nice one, you know. See what we've got here. Bad. Yeah, you know, man. See me? Try to get out, make it off. The problem for cloud I hold man. I'll try if he swim good on back, but nah, get him back, man. Nah, get him back at all, he's gone. Right. Gone, my people. Lose that one then. It's drop right out of me. And I'm telling you, say, the fish are come from 500 feet. And I'm telling you, say, they're gone down back. Gone. Alright, the next one. So, take up again. We'll make sure that one will come out this time. Make sure that. You know, my people, I add on our next 6 hook on the 6 one here. So only I go do it one time because you know I'm going at the beat so much. And 12 hook on the electric wheel hard for younger. So I run 12 you know. So I just go try one drop with the 12 hook at the spot where I catch them, you know? Yeah man. So now drive up back and run it off. I feel go so much hook, you know. So make sure to take the time and run him off, you know? Well hook going down. You see now? It's about a minute and I take up the back. Feel them down pan, you know? Make up a nice one, so I don't want the big one and stay till them come out. Wow, come up back. You see what I'm going. Probably have to go around the boat with the 2 cameras. Close. Chain back to the belly bit there. Now, but look, you know, I'm going to supply there. Yeah. Where are they? Set up back. I'll switch back to the 12 hook. I don't know what. One here no more. Leave this one. This we should have done for a man, you know, take out the rod from the first one. The close, you know. Do that. Man. I can take off the bait, man. I can take off the whole of the hook, man. Watch out. Bite off the bait. I wonder, man. Change this actually. I tell you. Already now, man. You see when we get that one here now, you know. We have this and what this is a cable truck, cable chicken rig. Tube, just like the line, just like this. This one is tube, all make out of cable, swivel and crimp. So, oh, I'm gonna try it and see. Whatsoever there, I'm gonna bite off the line, you know? A shark can get knocked. Pull it out and bait here and run it out. Run it after now. I have 3 different tools on them. I have one of the regular deep drop because they use. I have one big tool now. I have one next big circle. See what I want. Sometimes I barracuda and kingfish, you know. Mackerel and then sit there bite off the line. Next 2 boatman gone, Gojo and Bame gone down the scene. And if they gone in, maybe Bame gone in, because I know say a film time I have to go in. But I don't think Gojo gone in. This is Indian now. Eh? No, sir, I don't go out there, sir. Yeah. Me nah go see bottom, man. Me nah go see bottom. Huh? You nah go see so deep. Yes, sir, about. Alright, which part you there? Probably about 500 or 300 or something. You're the right on the edge. So walk me now, I move from a spot and you look like a shark take off the fish. I don't feel nothing more of from 6, you know. So I change location now. Cut up the line, cut up some bait and put on the line. I get rope all bait as we are now, you know. You know my people, and piece of weather come. Yeah, gonna make you catch me up here at all. Watch it. Yeah, go down so. Indian go in there. So down you see thing there now. Wait. Yeah, go down further. Weather. So you see the weather, but when I do me stop at the next spot, make a run and it feel like loop one, you know? So line coming up, let's see what happens. Be a big swell. Over here. You can still up there, so now left. Look where you are doing now, ease up off like it. Pay attention. Focus on the line. When you see my mark come up, what I do? I just neutral the boat so you get them can take them. Higher now. That creates some huge swells. When you flat out, you just reverse and pull. Hold it. Hold Charlie boat there. You always drive up back, you know? blow off, you know, my people. As you see, the black out back. Shut all wet up. Because through the taco so I may have to reverse all our water blowing from it. Still I try catching the and the down there, so stay away. I plan to go in, but it don't really make sense to run go in again. I have 2 little piece of bait left, I just have to finish it up. Nice one of the people. I got drop this time. We are still a boom see when we are coming. We thought the rain, man, I tell you. See what we have now. Red fish, man. Wine. Hell of a silk. Come over here, so. Yeah. Come on, man. You can see the 2 pounds on this one here. Hell of a silk. Yeah. Beautiful wine. Yes, my people. Nice, man. So, my people, they finish. With their heads left. They can't use, but what we do here now, we pin on some of the head them and these 2 bait and the troll go back down, you know? So, we can hook something. So, that me about to do here now. Pack up all of the deep line rigs there. Surely not do it here now. Run out the lines there. Alright, my people, so as you can see, I look on watch it. So back where I started, so you know so out of the water there. You just stop and set up back everything. You're supposed to set up. Wrap up my lines in because I'm that troll. Go across the bank 2 times, I feel nothing no there. Wrap up everything. Yeah, head in, you know. That's great there. You can see me actually dry again because the breeze, you know. Breeze. The sea come back down nice, man. If a man a plan to go out tonight, then can go. Because it don't look bad. Yeah. Go on, you know, go on bad out there. See the catcher. So catch today, you know. All of the ice they melt out. Just get 1 bag of ice today. This is how we find today. Ice bags. Come on, some pretty gold light today, you know. Nice big one. Nice. Pretty gold light we find today, man. Pretty gold ice. Yeah. No, man. I glue that. White belly them, you know. Belly them turn up the hard for look upon, you know. They love turn up because they want float. You want to turn up back by himself. Yeah, man, so after them, now the igloo. You know? Ready there now. Yes, my people. They all on here now. Wash off the boat. Clean off the clean up. You know? Yeah, man. Right now about after 3 I go to 4, probably 4 o'clock. Go ahead in. Head home, no in. Reach in already. Come on, I got tired of the boat and head home. Hungry for me. Although I'm doing food still. But from morning, you know. And new people see the catch. You come, you know. Yeah, in the next video, man.